Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do some natural makeup essentials for the summer. I do have some dry and acne prone skin type, but we're gonna go through all of the products that I use on a day-to-day basis. So let's get into it. So after doing all of my skincare and my sunscreen, which is super important, I decided to prime my eyes and use the same product all over my scars and acne. So then I use the Pro Long Wear Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Painterly, and it's just gonna really add longevity to my makeup. It's gonna add coverage to the minimal amount of foundation or concealer that I would be putting all over my face. Putting it under the eyes literally is the best thing you can do, so you don't have to put a lot of concealers. And I love this product because it is long lasting on my skin, especially that I have a drier skin type. So then I decided to do a little bit of the eyebrows and in a natural manner. So I will just be filling in the spots that are missing, reshaping my eyebrows a little bit just to make it look like it's really structuring my face the best way possible. And the most important part when doing the brows and everything else is to choose a product that will be long lasting and probably waterproof because we're gonna be sweating all day long. And also I love to set my eyebrows with a brow gel on top of the pencil that I used before. Now that this is done and everything is prime, I do the eyes, and I love to do a matte shade because it doesn't enhance any texture. Since I have a little bit of droopy eyes and hooded eyes, I love to use one palette and like 2 shades on a day-to-day basis. The 2 shades I'm gonna go into from the One Size Visionary eyeshadow palette is Soft Serve and also Manila Sands because it has a little bit more of a warm tone, and I do love the warm tones during the summer. And the only thing I concentrate my eyeshadow on is to put a little bit on the outer corner of the eye on top of my crease to really shape my eye, and then put a lighter shade on my eyelids. It is so quick and it is so easy. Before I focus on my lashes and everything, I want to do the rest of my face. So this is the Merit Beauty Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Dune. I do put this one all around the face because it is so creamy and it will add a little bit of hydration to my face. I love cream products. They always work really great with my skin type. Next, for a little highlight, I love to add a little bit of concealer, and I'm using the Rare Beauty Concealer in 150C. And I just put it to the tiniest bit possible just to lighten up the areas that I want. Girl, we still want to be snatched, okay? So we look pretty good right now. Look at this flawless base of makeup with very minimal amount of product, which is what we want. We're gonna be trying this new bronzer from Merit Beauty that literally just came out today. So if you want to go check it out after apply this goodness, it's gonna be listed down below with everything that you need to know. And it is the Bronze Balm Sheer Bronzer from Merit Beauty. So this one is going to be a very sheer buildable bronzer that I'm going to be applying on my face, and there's not going to be any orangeness or nothing on this product. I have 2 different colors. I have the color Clay and Quincy, and I'm going to use the color Quincy because it is the lightest of both of them, and adding a little bit of the color Clay on top to mix match the colors. It looks pretty good. I love both colors together. The color Quincy is definitely a color that is more on a day-to-day basis, and if you want something more dark, more pronounced, especially for my skin tone, Clay is definitely a beautiful color as well. I love the way that it applies and it looks on the skin. It's natural, just like all of the other products, which I'm gonna be pairing it with because when I love a Merit Beauty product, I love to pair it with the other ones as well. I'm gonna go with the Cheeky Cheek color on top of my face. But this time I'm gonna be applying it on my arm and then going on my skin. Ooh, I love a good bronzer and blush moment. It is so beautiful. All right, so now we're going for the cream highlight, which this one is from Merit Beauty as well. I love this one for a natural look. It is in the shade Cava. It is the highlighting balm, and I'm gonna be applying it on my high points of my face. I do need to put a little bit of powder in some areas where I want it to last the most, especially in these corners of my nose because of my glasses that I wear all day long. I have to put under my eyes so it can stop from creasing, and then in those more oilier areas, which I recommend all the time because powder never hurts. Then for the eyes, I love to put a little bit of pencil in my waterline, and I love to take something that is the same color as my skin tone or lighter. And I do this because my eyes just get so dry, so red all the time that I want to cut that redness because it makes me look tired and it makes me look maybe a little bit sick, and I don't want that to happen. And then I go to my beautiful and most loved Merit Beauty mascara. This one I absolutely love. Honestly, it is my favorite mascara that I've tried. It is just so nice. When I clean it off, it doesn't burn my eyes, it doesn't irritate my eyes, and it just elongates my lashes in the most most natural and beautiful way. And then for the last step is the lips, which is super important. I have very dry lips all the time and I want to take care of that. So no long lasting lip product for me during the summer. I'm gonna go straight up with the MAC Prepless Prime lip primer, which is a must for me for my glossy lips to last longer. And I've been loving a beautiful kind of orangey moment on my lips, so I'm gonna overline my lips with the lip liner from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Spice, and I will be putting this new lip gloss that I've never tried before, so I don't know what I'm gonna think about it. This one is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer, and let me tell you, the shine on this is just so beautiful. So this is it. This is my beautiful natural makeup essential products that I use for a day-to-day makeup during the summer, which looks absolutely gorgeous and it will last me pretty long, which is what I want. So this is my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content when I post it on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.